Thank you very much for having the ISUZU Safety Customer Seminar today in Mauritius. This is a very good event which all the customers have come up to understand ISUZU standard policies, standard vehicle operation flow.
All customers must have a very big interest in the safety drive, so it contributes to their business enhancement.
We are privileged to have this customer safety seminar in Mauritius. We are going to apply, and especially for the Eco Drive. We as ISUZU, we are working towards the safety of our customers and also for the companies, for you to be able to maximize your profits.
I'm very glad they gave me the invitation today to attend the seminar. After this seminar, I'm very happy, which I received so much experience, which will make progress in my business.
So thank you. Again, please follow the ISUZU recommended periodic maintenance and use the ISUZU recommended lubricants and drive the vehicle as per the ISUZU recommendations. So Eco Drive will always help you to reduce the operational costs as well as save the fuel to provide emissionless environment to the society. Thank you very much.